does America's B-52 need 8 engines? It looks excessive, but there's a reason. The B-52 was designed with 8 smaller engines. Together, they deliver massive thrust. Each engine produces up to 17,000 pounds of thrust. But here's the interesting part. The Air Force studied using just 4 larger engines, but that created major problems: ground clearance, control issues, and expensive flight testing. So the B-52 kept all 8 engines, and now, after decades, America is replacing them, but still with 8 engines.